Hello friends, very most welcome to all of you in this our online lecture series. Friends, today we will discuss here the very most important topic, the special theory of relativity. In previous lectures, the we have discussed very most important topic, Michelson-Morley experiment, result of Michelson-Morley experiment, and in this topic we have discussed the three negative result of Michelson-Morley experiment. We have explained continuously one by one, and from this Michelson-Morley experiment, result of Michelson-Morley experiment, the third result was very most important, as we have told you also in that lecture, the consistency of speed of light. We will discuss here the special theory of relativity, and the same concept will be take here in second postulate, but here we want to introduce the something about of special theory of relativity. Friends, as we have told you, the Galilean transformation equation, and in this Galilean transformation equation we have also told you the space and time is invariant, and Galilean invariance law also we have proved and discussed in previous lectures. What was the Galilean invariance law? The Galilean invariance law was the all physical or fundamental laws of physics, of Newtonian physics or classical physics is invariant under Galilean transformation equation, or we can say that is invariant in all inertial frame of reference. The frame of reference must be inertial, either it is rest or it is moving with uniform velocity. Both frame of reference are inertial. For all inertial frame of references, the all physical laws are invariant. We have proved with some examples also. If we talk about example, the example we have chosen, the first example was the Newton's law of motion, and second example was we have chosen the conservation of linear momentum, and we have proved both these examples. Friends, Newtonian mechanics or classical mechanics means we want to say that here if speed of particle or velocity of particle, moving particle, is very less than speed of light, and Galilean transformation equation are has been explained about of the classical physics or classical mechanics or Newtonian mechanics. So, as we have told you in name or in topic Galilean invariance, according to this Galilean invariance, according to statement of this Galilean invariance, the all physical laws or fundamental laws of physics are invariant, or we can say that does not change, are invariant in all inertial frame of reference. If we choose two inertial frame of reference, one inertial frame of reference is at rest and second inertial frame of reference is moving with some uniform velocity, then we have proved that the all physical laws, in example Newton's law of motion and conservation law of linear momentum, we have proved also the all physical laws is invariant, either frame is moving or frame is rest. The condition is the frame must be inertial. So we will continue in our topic. Our topic is today the postulates of special theory of relativity. Postulates of special theory of relativity. Friends, scientist Einstein modified the Galilean transformation equation. The question is, why scientist Einstein modified the Galilean transformation equation? Because, as we have told you, the Galilean transformation equation is applicable only for classical physics or classical mechanics or Newtonian mechanics. The concept of Newtonian mechanics or classical mechanics means we want to say that if speed of particle is very less than speed of light, then Galilean transformation equations will perform very well for any problem related to in this classical mechanics or Newtonian mechanics. But scientist Einstein proved that if speed of light, if speed of particle is very close to the speed of light or very fast, then Galilean transformation equation does not very well in this situation. Speed of particle is very fast or very close to the speed of light, then space and time will be variant. As we have told you, for Galilean transformation equation for classical mechanics, in Newtonian mechanics, the space and time are invariant. But in case of if in case of very high velocity, or we can say that very close to the speed of light, if particle have the velocity very close to the speed of light, then this concept, or we can say that this concept means, here we want to say that space and time, which was invariant in case of Galilean transformation equation, in case of speed of particle is very fast or very close to the speed of light, the space and time is variant. It will be vary. Friends, here the name relativity has been taken from the name relative motion. Motion is always relative. How space and time is variant if speed of particle is very close to the speed of light, we will discuss in upcoming lectures, in upcoming next lecture, by the name Lorentz transformation. Here Lorentz transformation equation, Galilean transformation equation will be modified in case of if the particle have very fast or very high velocity or very close to the velocity of light, then Galilean transformation equation will be modified by the Lorentz transformation equation, because in this case space and time will be variant. So according to postulates of special theory of relativity, the first postulate is the all physical laws are invariant in all inertial frame of reference. In all inertial frame of reference. This statement also we have discussed the Galilean invariance topic. So the next postulates, next very most important postulates, also we have discussed in previous lectures, as we have told you in the result section in part 3 of Michelson-Morley experiment. The third result of Michelson-Morley experiment, which we have discussed in part 3, the consistency of speed of light. The speed of light in second postulates of special theory of relativity. The speed of light is invariant. Speed of light is invariant in all inertial frame of reference, or we can say that in other words, speed of light is constant in vacuum. Speed of light is always constant in vacuum or in free space in all inertial frame of reference. Here we can write here in another words also, the speed of light is constant in free space or in vacuum or in all inertial frame of reference. All inertial frame of reference. That is, it's not a matter the observer is at rest or it is moving with some uniform velocity. Here it's not a matter the observer is at rest or observer is moving, or we can say that the source is at rest or it is moving. It's not a matter. The speed of light is always constant, always invariant. That is, here also we can write, that is, it does not depend upon the observer or source is moving with uniform velocity or it is rest, or it is at rest. Friends, here two postulates, two very most important postulates of special theory of relativity we have written. Here, as we have told you, also we can write here the speed of light is constant in all inertial frame of reference in free space. Also we can write here the speed of light, here we can write here, or second postulates are speed of light is constant. Speed of light is constant in free space or vacuum. It does not depend source is moving or at rest, the observer is moving or at rest. It's not a matter. It does not depend upon it. So today we will stop here. We have discussed the postulates of special theory of relativity. Here we have discussed two postulates of special theory of relativity, two very important postulates of special theory of relativity. So today we will stop here and we will discuss, as we have told you, the Lorentz transformation equation in upcoming lecture, and Lorentz transformation equation we will derive in upcoming lectures, and why Lorentz transformation equation we will discuss, as we have told you, after the modification of Galilean transformation equation, if particle is approaching the speed very close to the speed of light, then Galilean transformation equation is failed to explain the concept. So the Galilean transformation equation has been modified by scientist Einstein by the name Lorentz transformation equation. The transformation equation has been given by scientist Lorentz. The scientist Einstein has given the postulates of special theory of relativity, and scientist Einstein has proved the space and time is variant in case of if speed of light, in case of if speed of particle is very close to the speed of light. But equation was given by scientist Lorentz. We will introduce the Lorentz transformation equation in upcoming lectures. So today we will stop here. Thank you very much.